Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So on to our ingredients. We have measuring spoons, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 130 grams of icing sugar, 1 egg, vanilla essence, 100 grams of chocolate chips, but I mix chocolate chips and grated chocolate. That is my own preference. You can use whichever one you have. 130 grams of margarine and a cooking stick. I prefer cooking stick because it's easier for me to use. We then move on to our procedure. We will start by mixing up the margarine, then we'll add up the ingredients as we move on. At this point, allow the cookie dough to rest in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, or if you don't have a fridge, you can just put it in a cool place and let it rest. cookies for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. This recipe makes 20 to 24 cookies depending on the size of your cookies. Let them cool, then enjoy.